when a nasty...
DuckDuckGo. Privacy simplified.
News, weather, traffic, and business every day.
Hear it on News Radio KDKA.
Said payroll processing free. That's patriotsoftware.com.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Okay, so as y'all just heard, KDK got brand new female voice to do the pre-required weekly test message and post-required weekly test message. So, yeah, I guess they decided to get brand new voice to start out 2022. So, yeah. And not only did they get a new voice, they also scripted the pre-required weekly test and post-required weekly test messages a bit. Because normally with the male voice, it says the following is a test of the EAS, while with the new female voice, it says the following is a test of the emergency alert system. So, that's a bit different. And then, after the EOMs are sent through, normally with the male voice, it says, this station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test. But with the new female voice, it says, this station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. The station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test. So, yeah, both messages are scripted a bit differently than how they were with the old male voice. So, yeah, so it's definitely going to be different hearing a female voice now instead of the male voice, because I've only known the male voice because ever since I've started catching the KDKA required weekly test, and actually really ever since I started getting to EAS stuff and weather radios, I've only known for KDKA to use the male voice. So, yeah. But, yeah, it will be nice hearing something different, because you don't really hear females doing the pre-required weekly test and post-required weekly test messages. Normally it's a male voice. I've heard that here on KDKA. I've heard it on WTOP in Washington, D.C. I've even heard it here locally. For example, with both KOCO5 and KFOR here in Oklahoma City, which both of those are TV stations. Anyways, for their post-required weekly test and pre-required weekly test messages, they both use a male voice. So, yeah. So it's not common to hear a female do the pre-required weekly test and post-required weekly test messages, but apparently KDKA decided they wanted to be different and use female voice, which I have no problem with at all. So, yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. And there's the date and time. And yes, I did have to try and record this multiple times because I kept forgetting what the new voice said in the post-required weekly test message. So, yeah. But anyways, so that's pretty much going to be it for this unusual KDKA required weekly test. Thank you for watching, and be sure to have yourself a nice day or night or whatever it is as you're watching this video.